Crypto Daybook America's Bitcoin.com rarely lasts. Your day ahead look for June 30th, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook America's your morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook America's will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Omkar Godbole, all times ET unless indicated otherwise. Just bet on the price movement, not the direction. That's the message from a market maker as Bitcoin BTC $107,746.23 continues to bore traders with prices caught in crosswinds of continued ETF inflows and selling by long-term holders. Its solidity above $100,000 has sparked a meltdown in volatility metrics, including Deribit's DVOL, which measures the 30-day implied or expected BTC price turbulence. The index fell below an annualized 40%, the lowest in nearly 2 years. Compared to equities, Tesla and Coinbase vols are 50% richer, highlighting just how quiet crypto has become. Jimmy Yang, a co-founder of institutional liquidity provider Orbit Markets, told CoinDesk. But calm rarely lasts. Historically, vol tends to bounce from here. With direction unclear, breakout or breakdown, going long volatility via vol swaps offers a clean way to position for a return of movement. A volatility swap is a forward contract that allows investors to trade the future realized volatility of an underlying asset. Another way to bet on price turbulence is through volatility futures, and some traders are already doing so. Perpetuals linked to Volmex finances Bitcoin and Ether ETH$2 for 64.17 implied volatility indices BVIV and EVIV, respectively. Debuted on the decentralized leverage trading platform GTrader last week. The cumulative trading volume in these perpetuals is fast approaching the $1 million mark. In other news, President Donald Trump said he wants interest rates cut to 1% from the current range of 4.25% to 4.0% and would love it if Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell were to resign. The Fed, however, is unlikely to cut rates unless the labor market softens, according to Dario Perkins, managing director of Global Macro at TS Lombard. That data is due later this week. National Bank of Kazakhstan Governor Timur Suleimanov reportedly said the country will establish a crypto reserve which will be managed by a national bank affiliate. Meanwhile, Bhutan detailed plans to develop crypto-backed tourism to attract high-value global travelers. Leading Ethereum liquid staking platform, Lido, implemented a two-way governance structure allowing holders of staked Ether, SDTH, to delay or block proposals made by holders of LDO, its native token. The SDTH holders can do so by locking in their tokens in an escrow contract. In traditional markets, Nasdaq E-mini futures rose 0.6% to new lifetime highs, suggesting a return of the U.S. exceptionalism narrative. The dollar index, however, showed little signs of life. Stay alert. The CoinDesk Policy and Regulation Conference, formerly known as State of Crypto, is a one-day boutique event held in Washington on September 10th that allows general counsels, compliance officers and regulatory executives to meet with public officials responsible for crypto legislation and regulatory oversight. Space is limited. Use code CDB10 for 10% off your registration through July 17th. By Francisco Rodriguez. Starting today, the price quoted for Galaxy Digital will be for its Nasdaq-traded shares. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source, Farside Investors. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai, holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician (CMT) member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at Currency and Commodities Desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron and DOT. Francisco is a reporter for CoinDesk with a passion for cryptocurrencies and personal finance. Before joining CoinDesk, he worked at major financial and crypto publications. He owns Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and PXG above CoinDesk's $1,000 disclosure threshold.